Location. You are in sailboat water and 5 minutes to Charlotte Harbor. Enjoy this small, yet spacious dollhouse of a home as a quick and easy getaway or as an income-producing investment property, or consider a tear-down and build your dream house on the desirable lot. Either way, you can't miss. You will be surrounded with brand new custom homes and will enjoy the city-maintained canals. The bright and sunny home features an open floor plan with a spacious kitchen, 3 bedrooms, a master bath and a Jack and Jill for the 2 guest rooms. Open the sliders to the lanai and enjoy the early morning eastern exposure in the beautiful canal view, which gets lots of boat traffic. Oversized 2-car garage, plenty of storage, laundry and desirable deed-restricted Punta Gorda Isles, all add up to a formula for success. Like to fish? Right off your own dock, or take your boat off the 10,000-pound lift-in sail or power out to Boca Grande Pass, or maybe your jet skis.